Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my 49 day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I want to share with you one motivational speech just like a story. So I like it this story, so that's why I want to share with you. And it is a story of Muniba Mazari's story. So like Muniba Mazari always says about that, life is never goes in a straight line. Always sometimes we fall, sometimes we rise. But like one things that make you stand strong in every situation, just like your mind, just like when your mind is strong, then the toughest problems becomes the lessons. But when your mind is weak, then the small issues becomes the heavy burden. So it's a important thing, and just like Muniba Mazari always says about that, you don't have to control the situations, but you have to control the reactions. So it's also important thing says that, and I learned from these things also, and how to train your mind, because when you train your mind, then you always think about that positively. Firstly, just like when you train your mind, then calm down in the situations, because when you train your mind, then you also control it that situations. And always calmness is not the just like a weakness point, it's a strongest point to under control it all things. So it's a important things. Firstly you train your mind, then you calm it, and just like when situation is the toughest, then you take breath, never give up. Why are you giving up? And just like what you say, your mind absorb it, and also just like do it. And so always try to say the positive words. I handle it these situations, and I can also do it this situation. Why are you thinking about that anything negatively? And just like change the perspective also, you don't say why me, you say try me. It's also important things when. And always think about this type of things, just like every situation and every problems train your mind to strongest. So always think about that the positivity and detach the negativity. Don't let the others anger, fear, judgments, any other things in your inner. And always protect the inner peace just like a temple. Only positivity allow the inside you. So it's also important things, and you also do it this type of things, because when you do it, then you know what is this. So always just like visualize the victory and see yourself the succeeding in your life. So always think it is a positivity. So always do it this type of things, then you also know how can you handle it. So okay friends, it's my today's content, and I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. Okay friends, bye bye and take care.